Now, one of the most common questions that we would receive in the financial services industry, many people, they ask the question, should they purchase critical illness or should they purchase disability insurance? And to be honest, in an accident, would you need your seatbelts or would you need your airbags? They serve two different purposes. The same thing can be said when it comes to comparing critical illness with disability insurance. So in this presentation, we're going to break it down. We're going to break down what is disability insurance and critical illness and what are they both good for. And at the end of this discussion, then you can make a more informative decision which product is best suited for you. But first, please make sure to hit the like, subscribe, or drop a comment down below. If you want to show the channel some love, in case you haven't met me, well, my name is Leon Mann, and I'm a licensed wealth consultant with Money Assist Financial. And what I do, I help hardworking individuals add an additional multiple 6 to 7 figures to their retirement portfolio. I also, more importantly, help them to protect the hard-earned money during retirement. Now, when it comes to disability insurance, let's do a quick scenario. Let's say you are earning $100,000, you have 2 kids at home, you have a mortgage, and you have bills coming in every single month. Now, if something was to happen and unfortunately you suffer a severe back injury or you have a mental health condition, obviously you can't work, so your income is going to stop. But what will not stop? Your mortgage will keep on coming. You still have to buy groceries. You still have to pay the utility bill. So while your income stops, your financial situation continues. And this is where you have disability insurance. You see, disability insurance is able to cover a portion of your income while you recover. With a disability insurance, it will depend on who is paying for it. You see, it could be either a taxable benefit or it can be a tax-free benefit. Now, some tips. If your employer at work is paying for part of your disability benefit or all of your disability insurance benefit, then it's a taxable benefit. However, if you are paying 100% of your disability insurance every single month, then this benefit is tax-free, right? So if something happens, you will receive tax-free benefits. Now, with disability insurance, it is not intended to get you wealthy, but what it is intended to do, it's intended to help you to recover while you continue to enjoy some of the benefits as if you were working. So your bills do not get interrupted. You could still pay your bills while it would allow you to recover. Now, let's flip the script. Imagine you were diagnosed with cancer, or you had a heart attack, or you had a severe stroke. Thankfully, the survivor rates nowadays is a lot higher than in the past for strokes, for cancers, and for heart attacks. But surviving does come with costs. For example, you may want to seek treatment in a specialized medical facility. You may also want to have benefits that basic healthcare cannot cover. And you may want to have financial freedom while you recover. With critical illness, this will allow it to happen. See, a critical illness is a tax-free lump sum benefit that is paid out in the event of a critical illness. If you have cancer, if you have a heart attack and a stroke, critical illness allows for flexibility. For example, there is no receipt. There is no one telling you what to do with it. You have complete control with a critical illness insurance policy, and you can do pretty much whatever you want to do with it, right? You can use it to pay off bills while you're sick and injured. You can use it to buy treatments for your medical condition. You can use it to cover your mortgage. Do you need critical illness, or should you purchase disability insurance? Well, here it is, guys. Most people do not need one or the other. You see, a disability insurance benefit, it covers a portion of your income until you can return to work. While a critical illness insurance, what it does, it provides medical flexibility. In the event you suffer from an illness, you have the flexibility to do whatever you want by receiving the tax-free lump sum. Now, all you gotta do is simply ask yourself, if your income was to stop for 3 years, how would your mortgage be paid? How would your groceries be covered? And also, how would your debts be covered? If you can't answer this, then it would probably be a good time to have the conversation of getting a critical illness coverage or getting some form of disability insurance coverage so you know exactly what can happen. You see, when it comes to insurance, insurance is not about thinking of the worst, but it's about being ready in case something happens. So you know you can handle whatever comes your way, and your family do not have to suffer financial stress, but it allows them to have more options financially. It's better to be prepared than being prepared to fail, right? So I do hope that you got a lot of insights in this presentation. And if you have any questions with regards to disability insurance or critical illness insurance, feel free to reach out. I will provide my links down below in the description. You can also check it out. And I thank you guys for tuning in. By the way, if you like content related to money, financial strategies, and wealth building, follow for more. And also check out these other videos where we turn it up a notch. Thank you guys for tuning in. And until next time, I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, peace and love. Take care.